Hello everyone and welcome to Neat Buddy. If you have been following our daily MCQ series till now, then you would be knowing what we are doing here right now. I'm providing you with 15 MCQs in jumbled format from all of the chapters of class 11th and class 12th NCERT biology so that you are able to crack the upcoming NEET exam with confidence by practicing these little extra MCQs over other students. So without wasting much time, let's get started with 15 MCQs for today.
Question number 1. Somatostatin is secreted by hypothalamus, pituitary, pineal, thyroid. Somatostatin is secreted by. Correct answer is option A, hypothalamus. Question number 2. The second cranial nerve in human originates from ciliary muscles, retina and lens, ocular muscles of eye. The second cranial nerve in humans originates from. Correct answer is option B, that is retina. And what is the second cranial nerve? Right, the optic nerve.
Question number 3. The hardest substance present in the body is option A, bone, ossin, option B, chitin, protein, option C, tooth, enamel, or option D, muscle, myosin. Hardest substance present in the body. The correct answer is option C, that is tooth, enamel. And what is enamel in tooth form? Right, it forms the crown of the teeth. Question number 4. Similar structure in function to human kidney in amoeba is option A, food vacuole, option B, contractile vacuole, option C, plasmodesmata, or option D, plasma membrane. Similar structure in function to human kidney in amoeba is. The correct answer is option B, contractile vacuole. Contractile vacuole has the same function as that of human kidney. And what is that? Elimination of waste products. Question number 5. Antigen A and antibody anti-B is present in which blood group? Option A, B, option B, A, option C, AB blood group, or option D, O blood group. Antigen A, antibody anti-B. The correct answer is option B, that is blood group A. In blood group B, antigen B is present and antibody anti-A is present. In blood group AB, both antigen A and B is present, however, there is no antibody. And in blood group O, both antibodies anti-A and anti-B are present, however, there is no antigen. Number 6. Mammalian lungs have enormous number of minute alveoli. It is to allow option A, more surface area for diffusion of gases, option B, more source for increasing the volume of inspired air, option C, more spongy texture to keep lung in proper shape, or option D, more nervous supply to keep the organ intact when working. What is the main reason behind presence of enormous number of small alveoli? The correct answer is option A, to increase the surface area for diffusion of gases. Question number 7. A thallus is a plant body with option A, no distinguishable root, stem, or leaves, option B, a vascular system, option C, a stem and roots, option D, attached reproductive structure. A thallus in a plant body refers to. The correct answer is option A, no distinguishable root, stem, or leaves are there in thallus.
Question number 8. Opening and closing movement of leaves is associated with tactic movement, tropic movement, turgidity, auto-induced. Opening and closing of the leaves is associated with. Correct answer is option A, tactic movement.
Question number 9. Which of the following is a type of facilitated diffusion? Option A, uniport, option B, antiport, option C, symport, or option D, all of these. Type of facilitated diffusion. The correct answer is option D, all of these. Uniport, antiport, symport, all three are types of facilitated diffusion. Question number 10. Function of HCl in stomach is to option A, kill microorganisms of food, option B, facilitate absorption of food, option C, dissolve enzymes. Option D, activate pepsinogen 2 pepsin. Function of HCl in stomach is 2. The correct answer is option D, that is activate pepsinogen 2 pepsin. Question number 11. The first reaction of photorespiration is carboxylation, decarboxylation, oxygenation, phosphorylation. Correct answer is option C, oxygenation. Question number 12. Nitrifying bacteria are example of option A, autotrophs, option B, symbionts, option C, chemotrophs, or option D, photosynthetic forms. Nitrifying bacteria are example of. Correct answer is option C, they all are chemotrophs. Question number 13. Succinic dehydrogenase is inhibited by option A, succinate, option B, oxalate, option C, malonate, or option D, sucrate. Succinic dehydrogenase is inhibited by. The correct answer is option C, that is malonate. Succinic dehydrogenase is an enzyme of citric acid cycle. Succinate is its substrate. Malonate is its competitive inhibitor. Question number 14. Most of the energy in the cell is liberated by oxidation of carbohydrates when pyruvic acid is converted to carbon dioxide and water, pyruvic acid is converted to acetyl-CoA, sugar is converted to pyruvate, glucose is converted to alcohol and carbon dioxide. Most of the energy in the cell is liberated by oxidation of carbohydrates when. Correct answer is option A, when the pyruvic acid is converted to carbon dioxide and water. Question number 15. Which of the following cell division is found in prokaryotic cell? Option A, mitosis, option B, meiosis, option C, amitosis, or option D, all the above. The type of cell division seen in prokaryotic cells. The correct answer is option C, that is amitosis. So those are the 15 MCQs for today. I'll see you guys again in my next video. Till then, all the best and keep working hard. Do like and share this video if you find it helpful, and if you're new out there, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.